Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid cream at home. Gather 1% shea powder, distilled water, glycerin, a preservative, an emulsifying base, and clean tools now. Measure precisely and work on a sanitized surface to keep the formula stable. I'll walk you through heating, mixing, cooling, and adding preservative steps, plus texture adjustments and common troubleshooting tips for smooth, effective results. In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid cream at home. Start by hydrating 1% shea powder in distilled water, stirring gently until fully bloomed. Warm the oil phase to 70 degrees C and combine with the water phase while mixing steadily to form an emulsion. Once cooled below 40 degrees C, add glycerin, preservative, and any actives, then adjust viscosity and pH for comfortable, effective application. In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid cream at home. Quick recommendation: if you find yourself sipping water between steps, the Oala water bottle keeps drinks cool and fits cup holders perfectly, making routine prep easier and more pleasant. If this video helped, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the product link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make hyaluronic acid cream at home. Transfer the cream into sanitized, airtight containers and label with date and ingredients. Keep the product in a cool, dark place and discard if smell or texture changes. Use a small amount on damp skin to lock in moisture, and avoid introducing water or fingers to the jar to maintain safety and efficacy for daily use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.